In this video, I will show you how you can remove Discord fully from your PC. Now first what we need to do is we need to open up our Windows button. From in here you're going to search for Control Panel, just like this, Control Panel. Click on it. Now this should open up and you should see one that says Programs, and right under it, it should say Uninstall a Program. Click on Uninstall a Program. Now you should have this, and this will be all the programs that's installed on your computer. So look for Discord. You can click and press D for Discord until it pops up right here. Discord, right click on it, press uninstall. Once you've done this, the Discord will be completely removed from your PC, and the only way you can get it back is by going onto the Discord website and reinstalling it. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.